This video is brought to you by Aukey. What is up everyone, it's RJ here, and aside from Christmas, today is probably one of my most favorite days of the year. Here with me today, I have the iPhone 12 Pro in gold and in Pacific blue. From everything I've seen online, these two colors look absolutely fantastic, and it's very difficult to decide between the two. But that is what today's video is for. We are going to be unboxing these two colors, and since we are in the midst of a pandemic, a lot of you won't be able to go into an Apple store and check out these colors for yourself. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is comparing these two colors side by side and giving you guys a very in-depth look at these two colors in different lighting conditions, so indoors versus outdoors. So far, I haven't seen many YouTube channels cover that, so hopefully this video helps you decide upon a color once and for all. This video will be followed up by my iPhone 12 unboxing. This is the green color, so right after watching this video, go ahead and watch my iPhone 12 unboxing, and while you're at it, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on this video because there is a ton of iPhone 12 content coming up. Let's start off by unboxing the Pacific blue first. You guys probably already know this, but this year there is no charging brick or earpods found in the box, hence the very slim and minimal form factor. If you absolutely must get your hands on those earpods, they are only being included in the box in France. So if you can't live without those earpods, you may have to move to France, my friend.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why.
In the box, we're immediately greeted with the iPhone 12 Pro, and oh my god, that looks amazing. We're just gonna set this aside for 1 second and take a look at what else is in the box. So we do get a USB-C to lightning cable and this mini pamphlet with only one Apple sticker. Yes, only one Apple sticker. I am severely disappointed. I don't really care about the charging brick not being included in the box since I am an Android user and I do have some charging bricks laying around the house. But just having one Apple sticker this year really hurts. Like every time I leave my house, I put on my mask and I stick an Apple sticker on my forehead just to let the world know that I carry an iPhone in my pocket. And I'm not quite sure how I'm supposed to continue to do that and live my life with just one Apple sticker. But seriously, all jokes aside, this is the iPhone 12 in the Pacific blue colorway, and oh my god, this color and this redesign just completely hits different this year. Okay, now let's unbox the iPhone 12 in this new gold variant. This box actually looks amazing. This is supposed to emulate a 14 karat gold finish, so it's not the same gold as previous years where it resembled more of a rose gold finish.
Don't know why you got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends.
I'm just gonna come out and say it. This is most likely the best designed iPhone of all time. The iPhone 12 this year resembles a scaled down version of the iPad Pro with a refreshed industrial design and flat edges. Not to mention, it just feels fantastic in the hands. It's also a bit easier to hold now because of these flat edges, and there is some good heft to the phone, giving it that premium feel which we have all come to love and expect from an iPhone. This year, we have stainless steel bands running around the 12 Pro, and this material is prone to picking up scuff marks and oil stains from the tips of your fingers. So if you do decide to go caseless this year, make sure you have a microfiber cloth in your back pocket at all times. Trust me, it is now necessary. The display this year is covered with what Apple is calling ceramic shield, which Apple claims is tougher than any smartphone glass with 4 times greater resistance to damage from drops. And early testing reports do indicate that to be in fact true. But The glass scratches a lot easier than any iPhone in the past, so the first thing that you should do is definitely put on a screen protector. I will link some good ones I recommend in the description below. Speaking of the description, that brings us to today's sponsor, Aukey. Aukey is a very reputable USB-C brand. They are very popular over on Amazon and technology media. Aukey has spent 15 years on one thing, and that is perfecting the USB-C series. Aukey has the world's largest variety of high-speed chargers, and not to mention they are innovators of technology such as the Aukey Omnia chip and Dynamic Detect, which helps deliver cutting-edge technology like the new 30-watt iPhone 12 charger, since this year the charger is not included in the box. Check the link in the description below and unlock more with Aukey. I'm not gonna lie, this gold is definitely the flashiest color of the group. From afar, that yellow glint does sparkle on the Apple logo. It honestly feels like a piece of jewelry in your hands, and it's gonna be very difficult for most people to choose between the gold and the Pacific blue. And if I'm being honest, I'm probably leaning more towards the gold, just to match my gold stainless steel Apple Watch. Side by side, they look very similar in terms of color and finish. The back is a bit more subtle, and I would say it leans more towards the beige color. But this phone does look different in different lighting conditions. I have 5 different silicone cases here. These do fit on both the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm just gonna pop these cases on and give you guys an accurate representation of how the Pacific blue and the gold looks on each of these silicone cases.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm
Honestly, my favorite combo has to be the gold iPhone in this black silicone case. Black and gold just look so good together in my opinion. Second up has to be the plum and gold color combo. This plum color makes the gold camera bump stand out, so this is also a very nice color combo option. This year, we also have the MagSafe charger, which magnetically snaps in place to the back of your iPhone, wirelessly charging it at a speed of 15 watts. If you compare the wireless charging speeds to that of an Android, like say the OnePlus 8 Pro, it's not impressive charging speeds, but it is the fastest we've ever had on an iPhone, so I'm not really complaining. The magnetic connection is pretty strong. You can even hold your phone upside down without it falling, so I am pretty impressed. The only concern is that if you don't rock a case on your iPhone, this metal ring may scratch the back of your iPhone. I haven't had the phone long enough obviously to see any scratches, but I will come back to this in my full review, so stay tuned for that. Comment down below on which iPhone 12 Pro you would choose, the gold or the Pacific blue. You already know that I'm going to go with the gold this year. I already have the gold stainless steel Series 6, that paired with the 8th generation gold iPad, and now I'm completing that ecosystem with the gold iPhone 12 Pro. Coming up next is going to be my iPhone 12 unboxing, followed by my iPad Air 4 unboxing, so it has been a hectic day for sure. Major shout out to Aukey for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys are all enjoying my Apple coverage. A lot more is coming, so make sure you have that bell notification icon turned on. Click over here or here to watch my 8th generation iPad review. Let's keep the Apple marathon going, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to flex with your brand new iPhone 12s.